Well, this is Aynsley Cottage Garden pattern design china. Really nicely moulded cottage garden with this rotated rib moulding on all the pieces. Very characteristic of this line. Beautiful floral block patterns with butterflies in a variety of colours. Quite a bright transfer print cottage garden. And they've repeated smaller section of this slightly chinoise floral design on the rear. Period late 20th century Aynsley modern bone china made in England cottage garden marks. I think it's a 3.5 inch, 3.25 inch diameter, about 2.5 inches tall. All the measurements will be on the website, but they're in absolute mint condition. Some of these coming out of this collection we purchased actually still have the Aynsley stickers on them, and I think that might be the case with, yes, just look. Does show these haven't been used or washed at all, and they've got these still on them. Modern marks on the saucer plate, 5.5 inch rotated rib moulding, which is lovely and palpable with this rolling scalloped rim, and then the floral decoration all around in absolutely mint condition. So fine pieces of Aynsley Cottage Garden, quite a few of these. We've got some demi-tasse coffee cups, dinner plates, side plates, a lot of china in this design coming through onto catalogue over the next few days. So do keep checking back if you're a collector of Aynsley Cottage Garden. Thanks for watching.